So one of the things I want to just show you and model with this passage is the breathing and also pacing and pausing. And just keep in mind that I'm going to do this once or twice, but I'll probably do this several times before I like it. But what I'm going to really try to do is to breathe naturally, to pause at the end of a sentence, and also where there's a comma. So let's just give this a whirl. This is a story from Stephen Kellogg, who's an author I really like. So as the days passed, it grew colder and colder. The mice were unprepared for winter weather, and they huddled close to the waffle iron. And as you see, I really I read it normally. Probably the one thing that I did not do, and one of the mistakes that you want to be aware of, is I tried not to read it fast. I'll just give you an example of that, what not to do. So as the days passed, it grew colder and colder. The mice were unprepared for winter weather, and they huddled closer to the waffle iron. I mean, it's not a race like that. Just read it naturally, breathe naturally, go at a pace that's not too fast or slow, and pause slightly at a comma, a little bit longer at a period. I'll do it once again. As the days passed, it grew colder and colder. The mice were unprepared for winter weather, and they huddled close to the waffle iron.